Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. You'll see in the photos the boat has the Abaco blue hull sides. We've outfitted it with the white rub rail, a stainless steel insert, which matches really nicely with the Mercury 150 four-stroke, and this is done in the white paint, which is brand new for this year. We've got two jump seats here at the transom. The boat is equipped with the teak package, which gives you the teak on the swim platform as well as the two inlays on the gunnels. Underneath your helm seat is your live well. The helm seat is a four-position seat to give you either an aft-facing seat, a forward-facing seat, or a leaning post, depending on what position you put that in. White powder-coated T-top matches with that white engine and the white rub rail. Black canvas on top of that T-top. 9-inch Simrad GPS chart plotter fish finder. JL audio with 4 speakers, and that is Bluetooth. Got your mercury gauges in the dash, compass on top of the console, 2 stainless steel cup holders on top, and 2 next to your throttle. So we make our way up to the bow of the boat. Upgraded the forward cooler seat to your Yeti cooler. Nice big sun pad. Fish box here with gas strut assist, and your anchor locker forward of that, also gas strut assisted. Trolling motor panel up in the forward part of the bow, and a nice stainless steel chock for your bow line. That's a real quick look at our 2026 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. For more information, give us a call, 910-256-8100.